What up, guys? Man, TGIF, happy Friday from the Strong Sons crew. We're out on the freeway. We got a light day today, so I'm going to record some content, kind of kick back with you guys. And yeah, so we're on our way to Vallejo, California. It's about 25 minutes from where we're based. And we get a lot of work out there. Our GMB listing is out there. And we got a pretty good rank, so we get a lot of calls out there. This job in particular we're going to is for one of our vendors. So it's an apartment that calls us for their trash outs. They have a garage area that we go take care of that builds up with excess trash. And pretty frequent. I'd say we come here about 2 or 3 times a month. What do you say, Danny? The Valencia. How many times a month do you think? 2 or 3 times a month?
Maybe 4.
Maybe 4, yeah. So they're a good customer of ours. And then yeah, we'll get into that further of how, you know, we got these people on the roster. And yeah, so just kick back. We got to turn on some music. I'll check back with you guys when we get to the transfer station, so you guys can see our transfer station. And I'm gonna get some POV footage. I'll get some footage with the phone. And yeah, guys, just come hang out. It's Friday, weather's great, vibes are great. I'll catch you guys later. All right, guys, we're pulling onto the scale at the transfer station. This is one of the 2 places we usually come. What's up, bro? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Morning.
Morning. Is it how you paying today?
Account? Yes, sir. So we have an account here, guys. It enables you to come, 2 hours before they start, Monday through Friday. So that's very helpful sometimes.
Oh, mattress appliance tires?
Nope, just household trash.
How's it going?
All right, later. And if you don't have an account, I think it opens at 8 o'clock. So it's very beneficial to have a credit account here because we do a lot of business here. So I'll take you in. We got the tarp push button. And it's stuck, I think. The damn tarp's stuck, Danny. It's stuck on something because it ain't shutting. So it looks like, yeah, the place is a little busy right now. But we pull into this building here and then dump the trash. Look, we got 1-800 got junk over there. What else? I think I see my buddy Bay hauling right there, one of his trucks. And I think he got his other truck over there. Danny went to climb up there and kind of unhinge the tarp. Waiting around, guys. See, yeah, this guy was before us. This guy, so yeah, we gotta wait. What's good about this dump truck though? We can really maneuver in. What's it looking like, Dad? Try it. Wait. Sometimes we got this tarp and it's new, but we have a couple holes and rips, so it'll be getting caught up sometimes. So that's what you've seen us do right here. We're about to get in where we fit in. Yeah, so I'll bring you guys another video when we get in here. Earthquake, earthquake! Ah, you know how to mess with you, man. It was an earthquake. So we made it in here, guys. What's good thing about this big zoo is, man, can really maneuver into any space you need. Got the dump. Let's go up. It is Friday, so I mean, Fridays are usually a little more busier. Friday, Saturday. Like this guy pulled in here before us with this truck and the trailer. We might beat him out. Let's see. I always like to dump and then kind of check back here. Right? Make sure nothing's caught up. We look good, yeah. And then kind of, yep. See, like this. Alright, hold on. So we actually gonna dip out, right? We're gonna dip out. This guy needs to go. Hold on. I ain't gonna block this guy. So as I'm pulling out, we're gonna just come over here and get away from the chaos. Let people get, you know, get right. Just like that. Empty, reload. So that's our transfer station, guys. This place is, let's see, $75 a ton. You can bring mattress, tires here, appliances here. We don't, however, bring any of that. We got a place we drop it for free, so to maximize the profits. But yeah, so that's the transfer station action, man, right there. Wait for my guy Danny Good. This guy right here. Pure 100% Guatemalan muscle when he enters that truck. But boom, you see him. Dude's built like a horse, right? Not down here though. Good times, guys. All right, I'll check back in with you guys when we get to the first job. But that's the landfill action right there. All right, about 30 minutes we've been here. I'd say another 15 probably. We got that room wrapped up. Working on this living room. Danny boy down there. And just take one at a time. I'm gonna bring the last one and I'll help you bring the rest. There's only one more. Got that kitchen wrapped up, that room wrapped up. Quick turnaround. All right, let's go. Lug it. Let's go. I'm gonna help him now. Bring him to the truck. It's the last one. That's why you guys gotta carry good insurance, good umbrella, good commercial auto, right here. So when you mess something up, you're good. Totally joking, by the way. Never want to mess nothing up. Alright. I'll bring this now. You got? You got?
After this, we're going to the dump.
Dump, yeah. Beats carrying it. Costco dolly, you gotta get you one if you don't have one. They're that good. Nice. Alright guys, this apartment clean out is just about wrapped up. It took us about 45, 50 minutes. Just two of us. Access isn't great. Full load. So you guys might wonder, what do you guys charge for something like this? Well, our full loads, just our general full loads, are $5.99. So this access, we charge an extra $250. So this is an $850 job. And that's a good price, honestly. There's companies that might come in here and charge you like $1,200 for this. You know what I mean? So $850 is pretty fair. As you can see, we have it wrapped up. Got these bed rails. That room in there is done. Done. Danny just knocked out the kitchen, all the little stuff. So we're about wrapped up. It's done in here. And yeah, what time is it? See what time it is? 10? Yeah? What time did we get here? Let's see. We got here. Yeah. Maybe about finish this in an hour. And then, yeah, so this one's about wrapped up, guys. I'll check in with you on the next stop. All right, later.